you ever realize you own 200 or 300 bobber stops and you only got 2 or 3 with you in the day fishing? You wonder, is there some way I could reuse that thing in case I need it? Or maybe you just get tired of throwing them all away and wonder, how can I reuse them things and quit buying so many of them? Well, today I'm going to show you. Hey folks, welcome back to Real Southern Outdoors. Now today I'm going to show you how you can reuse your bobber stops. Now here's your bobber stop. You can see it's just that little rubber bobber stop there, and it's on a little piece of wire. They come in a big bundle like this right here. Maybe you can see that. I'll hold it over that black shirt there. Maybe you can see that piece of wire. Got a little loop right there. And if you don't know how these work, let me show you right quick. All you do, take your line. This is just a piece of braided line I've got that'll demonstrate the line coming from your rod and reel. But you want to run it through that loop on that wire. Pull it back and kind of double it. And grab your bobber stop there. And slide it off on your line till it comes past your piece there, and it'll pull out, and you got this will be the end goes to your hook, this go to your reel. So if you want to reuse it, what you need to do is find one of these little wires that's got an open loop on it right there. If you don't have any, just take your point of a fish hook or something and open one up. Take your fishing line, cut your lure off, drop your fishing line down through that little loop in that wire there. Then you want to tie a little overhand knot. Just tie that little simple overhand knot. Leave you a short tag line. You don't want it too long. Pull it down, hold it on that wire right there. Pull your bobber stop down to it where you can hold it on that wire. Pull your bobber stop over till your tag end will come out. Take your line cutters or whatever, pair of scissors or something. Trim your line off right next to that knot without cutting your wire. Then pull your line. It'll come right off. There you go. When you get ready to use it again, you can take your fish hook or whatever, open that eyelet back up there, that wire back up, make you a little loop in it so you can get your line through it, and you'll be ready to go again. I hope this tip will help you. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Share my videos so I can help someone else just like I'm trying to help you. And as I always say, until next time, may God bless you, and we'll catch you later.